So what I want to teach you is within programmer, if I scroll down, have a look, we have this constructor and we have this super keyword. Now, this super keyword, it pretty much refers to the constructor of the parent class or the super class, right? So when we create a programmer, so have a look, when we say this is a programmer, we pass name, age, address, experience. So this is using basically this constructor. So not employee, but programmer. So it's actually using this one. So it's passing name, age, address, experience. Then instead of saying this, so instead of saying this dot name equals to name, this dot address equals to address, we don't have to do this because we can just use the constructor of the parent class because it's already doing that for us. So what we do is we say, right, so we're going to pass name, age, address, and experience into employee, and employee is responsible. So this constructor is responsible of setting these fields that we pass, i.e. name, age, address, and experience. It's as simple as this. Now there's another way that we can use the super keyword, and that is, so if I basically, so in here, let's just have a method in here. So let's just say public void and then say hi, for example. Now here I'm going to say south and then hello, my name is, and then plus this dot and then name. So if I go back to programmer, and you can see that here, for example, we've got this method, write some code. And let's say that we want to use this method within employee, so say hi, and then write some code. So to do that, we could actually, again, we could take this, duplicate some code around, just like this. This dot name will not work, and I'll explain in a second. So we have to say get name. This would work, right? But this is duplicate code. We don't want this. We could just reuse the code from the parent class. And the way to do that is by saying super dot and then say and then hi. Now this is calling the method from the employee class. Equally, you could just say hi, for example. So this will also work. But now if you have two methods in here, so say hi, so if I say public and then void say hi, is going to use this one here, so from programmer. And now if you want to decide which one that you want to use, either from the parent or this one, because the names are the same, you have to say super and then say hi. So now this will refer to the one inside of employee and not inside of the programmer class. So this is why you use the super. Let me just delete this in here. So if I run this, you should see that at the very top, we have hello, my name is Jamal, writing some code. And this is pretty much everything you need to know about the super keyword. So super, you could use it to call methods from the super class and also to invoke constructors from the super class. This is all for now. Catch me on the next one.